Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today we're going to be taking a look at the iOS Reminders app. Now we are running this on iOS 16, so this is the most up-to-date version of the app. And as Apple usually does with their apps, they have added some new features to better enhance this application. So what we're going to do is give you a quick rundown of the app and how to use it, how to set reminders. Then I'm going to show you how you can use this app to keep track of the day-to-day tasks that you need done. So first, what we're going to do is you can see the Today button, and we're going to hit that. And this is obviously the things that you need to get done today. So we'll go ahead and first hit afternoon. And then we'll throw something in there like, say on your way home from work, you need to go to the grocery store. So you have that in there, and then you can add a note. So if you need like 3, 4, 5 different things from the store, you can put those in there. So we'll put in a few things here, just off the top of my head. There. So now you have those things in there. But say you also have other errands you need to run on your way back. Say you need to go to the post office to pick up some packages or send packages. You can also, again, put the note in there. We'll just put send package. So there you have the 2 tasks that you need to get done this afternoon. Hit done at the top. And then that is already in there. Go back to the home screen, and it says that you have 2 tasks today. You have 2 scheduled, and total you have 2 tasks. Next, I'm going to go to my home screen where I already have a widget up for this app. And you can have a smaller widget or an even bigger one. I like this in-between size. And you can see those tasks there, and that is always there for your convenience. You can see exactly what you need to do, and when you get them done, you can either tap on the widget or you can tap back into the app, hit the little circle to the left, swipe out, and then there the reminders are complete. And if you're someone where you like to see that you have completed something, you can hit complete, and then you see you got those done. They're out of the way. So that is a brief look at the Reminders app for iOS 16. You can create a widget, or you can just use the app itself. You can also schedule out tasks for as far out as months in advance. You can go August 2023 if you needed to. If there's something that you knew you needed to do that day, you can schedule that there, or you can do even something like tomorrow. This is a very useful app that you can use to easily keep track of the things that you need to get done. Do you use the Reminders app, or what's an app similar to the Reminders app that you like to use? Let us know in the comments down below, and as always, we will see you in the next video.